Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss basic Norwegian adjectives and their opposites. Learning a new language often requires mastering basic vocabulary, including adjectives and opposites. In Norwegian, adjectives, adjektiver, describe or modify nouns and pronouns. Understanding these descriptors and their opposites, antonymer, can significantly boost your ability to communicate effectively in Norwegian. Here are some basic Norwegian adjectives and their opposites. Stor, big. Liten, small. Gammel, old. Ung, young. Høy, tall. Lav, short. Lang, long. Kort, short. Varm, warm. Kald, cold. Tung, heavy. Lett, light. Lys, light. Mørk, dark. Glad, happy. Trist, sad. Rask, fast. Teg, slow. Dyr, expensive. Billig, cheap. Using adjectives in sentences. When using adjectives in Norwegian, they typically come before the noun they modify. For example, stor bil, big car. Lysfarge, light color. Glad jente, happy girl. Sometimes they can also be used predicatively after a verb. Bilen er stor, the car is big. Fargen er lys, the color is light. Jenta er glad, the girl is happy. Gender and adjective agreement. It's essential to understand that in Norwegian, adjectives must agree with the gender of the noun they modify. Norwegian has 3 genders, masculine, feminine, and neuter. For many adjectives, you'll see a change in the ending depending on the gender. For example, the adjective liten, small, masculine, en liten bil, a small bil or car. Feminine, ei lita jakke, a small jacket. Neuter, et lite bord, a small table. Comparative and superlative forms. Just like in English, Norwegian adjectives have comparative and superlative forms. Stor, big. Større, bigger. Størst, biggest. Ung, young. Yngre, younger. Yngst, youngest. Norwegian adjectives and their opposites play a crucial role in everyday communication. Familiarizing yourself with these words and understanding their grammatical nuances will improve your Norwegian fluency. Whether you're describing a tall mountain or a young child, the proper use of adjectives can paint a vivid picture for your listener reader. So keep practicing and expanding your vocabulary, and you'll navigate the Norwegian language more easily. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, one-on-one Norwegian classes, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.